Number 1.
1988 Toyota regular cab, price $9,850, classic pickup powered by Toyota's legendary 22 or carbureted gasoline engine, paired with a manual transmission.
Showing 220,000 miles on the odometer, the truck is finished in blue with a matching blue interior, giving it a distinctive and period-correct appearance. According to the seller, both the engine and transmission are in excellent condition and perform very well.
The truck retains its original paint, which adds to its authenticity and classic appeal. It also comes equipped with power steering and an air conditioning system, providing added convenience and comfort for daily driving or weekend cruising. The seller states that the vehicle has been well cared for and is backed by a clean California title. With its dependable drivetrain, original character, and desirable Toyota heritage, this regular cab pickup presents an excellent opportunity for anyone looking for a solid classic truck that is ready to be enjoyed.
Number 2.
1977 Ford F-150, price $10,000, equipped with its factory inline-six engine, a 4-speed manual transmission, and a full-time 4x4 drivetrain. It delivers the authentic driving experience that enthusiasts and collectors appreciate. Showing just 65,000 miles, this F-150 features a silver exterior paired with a black interior,
creating a clean and classic appearance. Powered by a gasoline engine, it retains the simple, durable mechanics that made these trucks famous for their reliability and ease of maintenance. The truck showcases solid classic styling with straight body lines, chrome trim, and an original feel that reflects its vintage heritage. Its strong-running inline-six engine and engaging manual transmission provide a direct connection to the road, while the 4x4 capability adds versatility for both weekend adventures and light off-road use. Number 3.
1993 Ford F-350, price $9,200, powered by a 7.5L gasoline V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 164,000 miles, a white exterior, and a blue interior. The truck is currently not running, but the E4OD transmission was professionally rebuilt by AAA Transmission and has only about 250 miles since the rebuild. Recent upgrades include new KYB shocks, steering stabilizer, 6 Toyo tires, ceramic tint, fuel filter, vacuum lines, exhaust system, trick flow aluminum rear differential cover, door felts, and F350 emblems. It is equipped with a gear vendor's overdrive unit, effectively creating a 6-speed splitter setup, along with airbags and a 5th-wheel plate setup. Additional features include dual fuel tanks, a working factory radio, ice-cold AC, headers, and a Flowmaster muffler. The truck will need a hitch installed but offers a well-equipped platform with numerous upgrades already completed.
Number 4.
2002 Ford Ranger, price $7,450, powered by a reliable 3.0L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and has 155,000 original miles, verified by a clean Carfax report. The vehicle comes with a clean title in hand and a clean Carfax history. Both the air conditioning and heater work properly, providing comfort in all seasons. It is equipped with a brand new set of Goodyear tires and has recently passed smog inspection with no issues. Inside, the truck features a modern double DAN stereo system with Apple CarPlay, along with upgraded premium speakers for an enhanced audio experience. It runs and drives exceptionally well, with the engine and transmission operating smoothly and reliably. Several maintenance items have already been completed, including a brand new battery, new spark plugs and wires, shocks, brakes and rotors, and a new power steering pump.
Number 5.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,900, powered by a strong 5.3L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth performance and dependable reliability. The truck has 223,000 miles on the odometer and features a blue exterior with a gray interior. According to the seller, the truck comes with a clean title and has no accident history. The smog inspection was completed on May 29, 2026, and the registration is valid through March 2027. The air conditioning blows ice cold, while the heater works properly, ensuring comfort in all seasons. Additional features include an AM/FM radio, AUX input, Bluetooth connectivity, and USB support. The vehicle also comes with 2 keys and 2 remote controls. The seller states that the truck drives very smoothly, with a strong engine and transmission that perform without issues.
Number 6.
1998 Toyota T100, price $4,900. The truck is powered by a reliable 3.4-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission featuring push-button overdrive. With approximately 250,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup continues to run and drive exceptionally well.
Finished in white with a tan interior, it offers a clean and well-maintained appearance both inside and out. Additional features include cold air conditioning, tilt steering wheel, and cruise control, making it a comfortable and practical daily driver. The truck is gasoline-powered, has a clean title, and has been kept in very clean condition throughout its life. Overall, this Toyota T100 is a dependable full-size pickup that combines proven durability, comfort, and functionality. Number 7. 1978 Chevrolet Silverado, price $9,500. It has 103,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a gasoline-fed 350 V8 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. It features a brown exterior complemented by a tan interior, giving the truck a classic and timeless appearance. Originally purchased from the grandson of the original owners, this Silverado has been well preserved and remains a solid, rust-free truck. The engine has undergone a complete rebuild, with fewer than 500 miles driven since the work was completed, meaning the engine is still in its break-in period. Extensive maintenance and restoration work have been performed, and documentation is available to verify the repairs and upgrades. The truck runs strong and presents well, benefiting from the recent mechanical improvements. Number 8. 1987 Ford F-150, price $9,900, powered by a fuel-injected 302 Ci V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Showing approximately 74,000 miles, it features a white exterior, brown interior, and runs on gasoline. The current owner purchased the truck earlier this year and has completed extensive maintenance and upgrades. Recent work includes a new MSD Blaster 2 ignition coil, distributor components, spark plugs and wires, air filter, radiator, hoses, thermostat, fresh coolant, and a full transmission service. The steering and suspension systems have also been refreshed with new tie rods, drag link, pitman arm, idler arm, bushings, Bilstein shocks, and brand new tires. Inside, the seats have been refoamed, and a hot rod steering wheel has been installed, with the original wheel included. Number 9. 2001 Ford F-250, price $6,800, powered by the legendary 7.3L Power-Stroke turbo diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 4x4 drivetrain. Finished in gray exterior paint with a matching gray interior, this truck has 214,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clear title. According to the seller, the engine runs great with no oil leaks and no smoke, making it a strong candidate for anyone looking for a dependable diesel work truck. The truck is diesel-powered and has been driven 214,000 miles. The automatic transmission is currently in need of a shift solenoid replacement, which is reflected in its condition. Overall, this F-250 offers the sought-after 7.3L Power-Stroke platform, four-wheel drive capability, and a clean title, providing a solid foundation for work, towing, or restoration purposes. Number 10. 1984 GMC 1500, price $9,500, finished in red with a matching red interior and an automatic transmission. It features a 2004 LQ4 6.0L V8 and 4L60E transmission swap completed in 2019, delivering reliable performance and excellent drivability. The truck has been well maintained, including a recent oil change and transmission pan gasket replacement. Upgrades include wrapped Hedman headers, Dakota digital gauges, cold AC, strong heat, power windows and locks, dual 20-gallon fuel tanks, and a MagnaFlow dual exhaust installed in 2025. The suspension was refreshed during the build with new control arms and springs, while factory front disc brakes provide confident stopping power. The cab corners and rockers are rust-free, though the bed has rust on both sides.